Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Schwab ETFs detailed guide step by step clearly. Go to the Schwab website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate box. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the corresponding link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on your dashboard. Select ETFs from the drop-down menu. Here, you can view your current ETF holdings. To explore available ETFs, click on the Investing tab. From there, choose the Exchange Traded Funds option. You will now see a list of Schwab ETFs available for investment. Click on any ETF name to view detailed information. Review the performance metrics and historical data provided. If you decide to purchase an ETF, click on the Trade button. Specify the amount you wish to invest and confirm your order details. Finally, review your order before clicking the Submit button to complete your transaction. You now know how to log into Schwab ETFs and navigate the platform effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.